Imagine a world where your website never sleeps, engaging visitors around the clock. Our AI chatbot does just that, chatting with visitors, answering questions, and collecting information seamlessly. Say goodbye to tedious forms and hello to effortless interaction. Our chatbot uses your website's content to provide accurate answers, ensuring visitors get the information they need instantly. It collects names, emails, and phone numbers in a smooth conversation, making data collection a breeze. Integrating our chatbot is as simple as pasting a code snippet. Within minutes, your chatbot is live, ready to engage visitors. Watch as data flows seamlessly into Google Sheets, your CRM or database, keeping you updated in real time. Receive instant notifications and personalized emails, ensuring you're always in the loop. Our chatbot not only enhances efficiency, but also keeps you connected with your audience effortlessly. Customers can book appointments directly from the chat, eliminating the hassle of back-and-forth emails. Our chatbot provides fast, accurate responses, enhancing user experience and driving conversions. No website? No worries. We'll build one for you and install the chatbot, ensuring you're ready to engage visitors and grow your business with ease. We're offering a limited number of free chatbot setups for small business owners to automate your lead generation, customer engagement, and support effortlessly. We're offering a complete AI-powered chatbot solution that works for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This setup includes chatbot training based on your own website content, PDF files, or even Word documents, so the bot can answer real questions your customers are asking. Every time a visitor chats, it naturally collects their name, email, phone number, and more through simple, friendly conversations. Their details are saved instantly to Google Sheets, your CRM, or your database in real time. You never miss a lead. It even sends an automated email reply to your customer right away and notifies you at the same time. Want to book appointments? Your chatbot can do that too. Visitors can schedule a call or meeting without any back and forth. Whether you're a coach, a consultant, a local business owner, or an agency, this is your chance to start using AI to grow smarter and faster. And if you don't have a website yet, no problem. We'll build a clean, mobile-friendly one and install the chatbot for you. All of this completely free, but only for a limited time. Please check once again how it works. The chatbot opens on your website. It greets the visitor and asks for their name, then collects their phone number and email. Their info is saved instantly in Google Sheets. They get a confirmation email automatically. The bot helps them book an appointment. And you see the lead show up in your dashboard, ready to follow up. This is real automation, real results, and zero hassle. Don't miss this opportunity to let your website work for you 24/7. Visit www.adroitanyai.com. WhatsApp 1-916-284-4867. Contact info, contact@adroitonyai.com. Take action now and transform your business with AI. Visit www.adroitanyai.com or contact us at contact@adroitanyai.com. Let's make your website a powerful tool for growth.